welcome back to the channel. I am Jaterra and in today's video we are getting into this lovely style. Of course, shout out to Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. They sent us a gorgeous half wig along with the upgraded crochet. You might know it as the feather crochet, and we did this style. Okay, braids in the front, half wig in the back, super easy install, only took like an hour to do. So let's get into it.
Curlsqueen has very high standards when it comes to their packaging and the quality of their hair. Along with the free brush and bonnet, they sent me one bundle of their Kinky Straight seamless crochet hair and their Kinky Straight half wig. They have over 9 textures to choose from, making it easy to match your bundles to your hair texture. For today's style, you'll need a crochet needle, rat tail comb, edge brush, hair clips, and a detangling brush. For styling, you'll need edge control and braiding gel. If you want to protect your hair, throw in a moisturizer as well. Now, of course, I'm starting off with freshly shampooed and blow-dried hair. Our first step is to section our hair for our braid down that will be under our half wig. This style can last about 3 to 4 weeks, so make sure you add some moisture to your hair. Today, I'll be using a lightweight hair serum. Now, the key to keeping your install under an hour is doing a quick braid down. I'm doing 2 braids going around the perimeter of my head. I'm making sure to pull the hair to the top and the sides because that's where the combs in our half wig are placed. You want to make sure they have something to grip to so your wig stays secure and the combs don't pull out your hair. I'm using rubber bands and my crochet needle to interlock my braids for a flat, seamless braid down that only took me 2 minutes to do. Now, I've seen some people complain that half wigs cause tension. Make sure you are gently sliding the combs under the braid and make sure your braids are slightly loose. You do not need the world's tightest comb rolls for this hairstyle. Now that our wig is secure, we're moving on to braiding. It took me about 45 minutes to braid my natural hair down. I used the Kiss Color Care braiding gel to perfect my parts along with my rat tail comb. I did 5 rows per side. The sides of my head have 2 braids per row, and the middle has 3 braids per row, but do whatever fits your head size. I made sure to leave my ends out, which saved me time and will definitely help with the takedown process. Now, if you have found this video, hopefully you already know how to braid, but all I did was make sure to pull out my baby hairs because I love some edges, and I sectioned my hair into 3 parts, and I braided down my natural hair. Crisscross applesauce, you hit flow state, and you just keep it pushing, girl, okay? Oh, now I do have one tip for you guys. I made sure to do all of my braids underhanded instead of overhanded. Reason being, I noticed that they were laying a bit flatter to my head, and I wanted this install to be as flat as I possibly could make it. It also helps to slide my needle, the crochet needle, under the braid without causing tension or having it hurt. So that is one tip that I would give you guys. See, like this video because I'm really giving you guys the gems. Now, you've already saw that I entered the crochet needle. Make sure that your latch is open so you can attach the hair by the thread. Close the latch, pull the hair through, and take one side of the extensions through the loop. Take your time because these can most definitely snag. Now you're going to do the exact same thing, but you're going to do it onto the braid. Try your best to insert the needle through the hair where it crisscrosses. This is going to ensure that the needle can slide through with ease instead of getting caught up on your natural hair. We want to make sure that we're protecting the hair, girl. Once you pull the extensions through, again, take your time because they can snag. Then you just pull one of the extensions through the loop and secure. I'm gonna have y'all watch this over and over again without me talking. I know some of my girlies are visual learners, so I'll be back in a second. Woo! Okay, you guys, so now we have our half wig installed. We have our braids all done. And you can stop here, okay, because she's cute. But you know, why look simple when you can look stunning? So now I'm going to slay my edges. I promise you, if you're thinking that your style looks like an 8 out of 10 before you do your edges, just fleek. I said fleek, that's crazy. Fleek the freak out of your edges, girl. Just do your baby hairs. I did a little swirl here, a little swirl there, did them on each side, made sure to do my sideburns, and it took my style from an 8 to a 9. I did not show this product earlier because I realized at the end that I just wanted some sheen spray on my braids because they were looking a little dry. So I added that, and the style looks good here, but I wanted to take it up a notch even more. So I wanted to see how the Kinky Straight texture was going to react to heat. So I said, why not add some crimps, okay? So quick crimp tutorial if you don't know how to. All you have to do is open your crimp tool, insert your hair, and you don't have to wait for a long time in between after you clamp down because you place the crimp on the same section of hair twice. If that makes sense. Like, you want to make sure that the crimp lines up each time. When I got to the front, I did make sure to pull out my braids because I'm not putting any heat on my natural hair, girl. Absolutely not. Wanted to pull all of those out, and then I just, went ahead and crimped again. The crimps took this to the next level. And I think if you guys were to do wand curls, they would look cute as well. But again, reminder, Curlsqueen has so many different textures. I think 9 or 10 that you guys can choose from. I'm now going to go ahead off camera and do the remainder of my hair and crimp everything up. And when I come back, baby, you couldn't tell me nothing. Okay, first off, the hair is really soft. I experienced no shedding, and I didn't experience any tangling at all. Very easy to manage and manipulate. And the wig is so high in density, you guys. Like, it's super full. I really enjoyed this style. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments down below.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. I really like it. It's very lightweight also. I am looking forward to being able to take off the half wig when I go to sleep because I don't like nothing in my head when I go to sleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope it was very informative. If you did, please be sure to give me a like. Subscribe if you aren't. Join the family, girl. Over here, I do a lot of DIY content, so you'll always get to learn something new from me. So yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, mamas.